Here we have a square root equation and we have to solve for x in this equation and x has to be greater than 0. Okay, so now first step what I'm going to do is I'm trying to get rid of the square root on both sides of the equation. To get rid of the square root on both sides, what I need to do is I have to square both sides. Okay, let me do it. 2 times square root of x positive 2, the whole square, 3 times square root of 2, the whole square. I squared both sides. Now here 2 and square root of x positive 2 are multiplied. So here two terms are multiplied and we have the common exponent. So whenever two terms are multiplied and have the common exponent, the exponent 2 can be taken separately for this 2 and separately for this square root of x positive 2. So then we'll be getting 2 square times square root of x positive 2, the whole square. And on the right side also we have the same thing. We have two terms are multiplied and we have the common exponent. So the two exponent 2 can be taken separately for this 3 and separately for square root of 2. So here this square root and square root cancel out. Here the square root cancel out. So the evaluation of this 2 square is just 4. 4 times x positive 2 equals to the evaluation of this 3 square is 9 and we have 2 over here. So 9 times 2. And now I can distribute this 4 to x and 2. Then I'll be getting 4 times x is 4x. 4 times positive 2 is just 8. On the right side 9 times 2 is 18. Okay, so to solve for x I have to get rid of all the values around the variable x. First, let me get rid of this positive 8. So I subtract 8 from both sides. Then positive 8, negative 8 will cancel out. I get 4x equals to 10 because 18 negative 8 is 10. So in my next step, I'm going to divide both sides by 4. So 4 will cancel out. And 2 goes into 4 twice and 2 goes into 10 5 times. So I get x equals to 5 over 2 or 2.5.